My name is Alexandra De Leon, and I am an academic advisor for the Harris College of Nursing and Health Sciences. I work specifically with incoming nursing students and allied health students and help them create four-year plans so that they may graduate on time within 4 years. I see my relationship with the students as a collaboration. I would like to be able to build that trust with the students so that I may be the one that they come to for all sorts of questions. My advice to first-year students would be to simply ask questions. I am your connection here to TCU. Just simply ask me a question and I am more than willing to answer and assist you. The main concern for incoming students is always to create the perfect schedule, but the excellent part about a counseling plan is that it can always be adjusted. And in my role as academic advisor, I can help you adjust that counseling plan to make sure that you graduate on time. My favorite part about my job here at TCU is witnessing a student's growth over 4 years. It is more than just academic. We do build a relationship, and I do feel very excited being able to have a front row seat to a student's success.